Boom. All right, so the first place we go is the drive, and we're typing in weekly engage, Geist weekly engagement, and then we can click on that file. Okay. And now what we're going to need to do is, apparently, this is not the right week, so I'm going to edit it. So, oh, this is an old one. Where's my weekly engagement for the frog for this other week? Maybe I can make a copy. Oh, what the hell they want me to do? I'll make a copy of it. I'll send it to her. It's a separate file. It's fine with me. Here's my week 7.
Okay. Week 7?
This is now week 7. Week 7 is from the dates. It's from last week. So this is 9/20, 9/21 to 9/25. So I'm going to edit this. Watch.
Yep.
So when we come in, there's going to be something from the previous week. And we'll edit 9/27 to 9. Oh, what? 9. What I meant is 9/21 to 9/25.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I have it on here, that one.
That's fine. To 9/25. Okay. Everything else stays the same, but we need to delete the old weekly engagement and under there. And then what I'm going to do is normally I'm just going to copy this date. I'm copying the date. I'm going to go to each of these screens and post it there real quick. So this is the next one. I'll delete post and I'll delete this. I'll go to the next one. I'll delete paste and delete that. I'm just Control V for paste, right? I'm going to delete the screen and then Control V for that. I do this for freaking a bunch of different classes.
Every week you're doing it for?
Every week I do this. And then I need to do this. There we go. All these. Control V and do this. And now I need to insert my grades. So the way we do this with that week is I go to Canvas. So normally you would be going to lambertsvilleinstructure.com. So if we do this, lambertsvilleinstructure.com, that's what you type in. It's also located under these bookmarks under New Canvas. So when I hit New Canvas, this is what pops up. And then we're going to go to each of my courses. You have a video of this. You'll be okay.
Go back.
I already did it twice.
Then you did here. No, you went to 2 different things.
Oh, you can't. You also can't see my bookmarks, which are right here. That's what I just went to. So where I need to go is New Canvas. This is what we access now, right? This is what we're accessing. I'm going to move the screen up. Then go to courses on the side. We're going to start with my Intro to Engineering course.
Hold on.
This is here. This is in a video for you, Mother.
I don't care. I don't want to be watching video and going back and forth. I want to see it done now.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to what? Unit, go to courses on the side. Which one did you go to?
I went to Intro to Engineering.
Why do I know that?
Intro Engineering Design, period 2.
How am I going to know which one to go to?
Because you can watch the video. Then once we click on that course, I need to go to grades. And then what we're going to do, you can follow these steps. You're just going to do this for each course. You'll do Control F, and then we're going to go, actually this is week 6 report. This is now week 7. So week 6, I'm going to type in W6 here, D1. Week 6, day 1. And if it's just for the 7th week, we type W7D1. All I did is Control F for a search because now it's showing me there's 2 things that show that. And then I can just scroll over. So I'm down here. I'm going to scroll over.
See where your mouse is. Okay.
I'm down here. I'm going to scroll over until I see week 7. And look at that. Week 6. And now basically I need everything from week 6 all the way up to week 7, which actually I don't even see right now. It would be up through this. This is what we get to select. And then what I'm going to do is use the snipping tool. So I come down to my search screen here, type here for snipping tool.
Right.
Okay, and then all we need to do is snip a couple of students. I'm just going to take a picture of what's here. That's what we need.
All of that?
All this. Okay, so now I'm snipping that. And now what we need to do is we paste that inside of our weekly log. Is this my weekly log I was at? This is week. Nope, that's the old one. I believe this is the new one, and this is period 1, Intro to Engineering Design. But it says period because I have period 1 and period 2 together. So I control V, and now I'm just going to shrink this. Go to the corner and shrink until it fits. And I keep shrinking and shrinking until it fits in here, and that's not my problem. They can make this bigger if they need to. And what I'm going to do is actually just expand these rows. I'll just make these rows bigger. There we go. I'm going to right click. Let me go row size. I'm going to make these 40. I'm going to double them up so now it fits. Look at that. Actually, I'll make it 30. Row size.
For God's sake.
Resize rows, 30. There we go. That's big enough. And they can have it here. And now what I'm going to do...
Who's it for?
Admins. This is for administrators. This is what we have to do for to get credit for stuff. This is something that needs to be done. This is just our work. It's weekly logs so we can get credit for teaching students.
Okay.
More or less.
Okay. Can I tell you something? Remember how you
Then we do this for each period.
You were
All right,
making
this is
fun
just a
of me.
reminder. And now we're going to stop this video. Where'd it go? Maybe
See,
I
got
can.
so much stuff. I don't even know what's what.
Oh, relax. We can get to it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just because the screen is out of place. If I go up, there we go.